Imagine a peaceful rural town suddenly facing the prospect of nearly doubling its population overnight. Could this be the growth opportunity we've all been waiting for, or a recipe for disaster that threatens the very charm that drew people there in the first place? Let's dive into the latest developments in Eccleshall, a charming spot in Staffordshire, where bold plans for new housing are stirring up a storm of opinions. Recently, ambitious proposals for constructing up to 480 brand new homes have been put forward to Stafford Borough Council by the developer Bloor Homes. These homes would be built on a plot of land located west of Blurtons Lane, stretching between Stone Road to the south and Stafford Road to the north in Eccleshall. But here's where it gets controversial: these aren't just any homes. The developer is pitching them as part of a bigger vision that includes essential community upgrades to ease the strain on local resources. Picture this: alongside the residences, Bloor Homes is suggesting the addition of key community amenities, such as a fresh primary school to educate the growing number of young families, and a dedicated space for a new primary care hub where residents can access healthcare services conveniently. To top it off, about 40% of the homes are earmarked as affordable housing options, making them accessible to a wider range of people who might otherwise struggle to find suitable places to live. And for those concerned about our planet, the properties are designed to be energy efficient, incorporating modern features that help reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. Think smart insulation, efficient heating systems, and perhaps even solar panels to cut down on utility bills and carbon footprints. Yet, this proposal isn't without its detractors. Over 4,000 concerned locals have rallied together, signing a petition that urges protection for Eccleshall against what they see as excessive development. Their worry? The influx of multiple housing applications in the area could potentially balloon the town's size, altering its rural character and putting pressure on already stretched infrastructure like roads, utilities, and public services. It's a classic clash: the need for more housing to accommodate growing populations versus the fear of losing a town's unique identity. Max Whitehead, who heads up Bloor Homes West Midlands, recognizes the community's worries about future housing expansions. In response, they're committing to more than just homes. They're pledging to bring vital community infrastructure to the table. This includes constructing a new spine road to connect Stafford Road and Stone Road, improving traffic flow and safety, and implementing a thorough sustainable drainage strategy. For beginners wondering what that means, sustainable drainage is all about managing rainwater runoff in eco-friendly ways, like using permeable surfaces or green spaces to prevent flooding and protect local waterways, ensuring the development doesn't burden the environment. Adding fuel to the debate, the Eccleshall Parish Council has taken a stand by setting aside £10,000 specifically to challenge these large-scale housing plans. This move in August highlights the depth of local opposition and the lengths some are willing to go to preserve their town's way of life. And this is the part most people miss: while affordable housing can be a game-changer for those priced out of the market, critics argue that such rapid growth might lead to overburdened schools and healthcare facilities, or even environmental strain. Is this development a necessary step toward meeting housing demands, or does it risk turning a serene rural area into something unrecognizable? What do you think? Should communities prioritize growth and new amenities, or safeguard their existing charm at all costs? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Does this plan excite you, or does it raise red flags? This update comes courtesy of the Local Democracy Reporting Service, which keeps an eye on councils and public services across the board. Get in touch. Tell us which stories we should cover in Staffordshire.